A high-pitched sound is a high-frequency sound. That means there are more compressions every second. But how do you hear the difference between sounds of different pitch? A microphone is like an ear. Inside, there's a diaphragm connected to electric wires. Like the eardrum, it vibrates when sound waves strike it.
1, 2.
This creates an electric current in the wires, which you can look at on a computer screen.
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
A trumpet has a higher pitch, so it makes a different picture on the computer screen. Ears work in a similar way. When a low-frequency sound enters the ear, it's detected at the very centre of the cochlea, and the brain recognises a low-frequency sound. When a high-frequency sound comes in, it gets detected in a different place, nearer the entrance of the cochlea. This makes a different electrical signal, and the brain recognises a high-frequency sound.